What you want to do, Russ? Gonna unbox some Can-Ams.
You look like you should live under a bridge.
Go pick up these Can-Ams. Two? What the hell? Two? How are we gonna do that?
Hey, we got some new cars. New car day.
Woo! Well, looks like we just got a couple more toys in from Can-Am. See if I can't take them, turn them into something. Maybe go win a race. We got time. Nothing but masculinity rolling off of these things.
There's only one problem.
What's the issue?
When they ship them in boxes, they ain't got no gas in them.
Most people use like crowbars, screw guns, pry bars.
You want to tell you something about most people? We ain't most people. They do things a little different.
I did this once today the hard way. I'm not doing that again.
The only problem is they need gas.
Woo-wee!
Well, that's never gonna look the same.
Today we have brand new Maverick XRS, soon to be King of the Hammers pre-runner. Well, we just pulled this 2022 Can-Am XRS out of the box. It's got some sweet new desert camo colors. We're about to slap the roll cage on it, fire it up, see how it runs. It's desert tan. Let's get this done, guys. Okay. So, that ain't gonna work. What's the one that zips? Don't know if you hear anything. You didn't, did you? You didn't hear any zipping? Please, stop. Concentrate on this.
Just build the thing. What do you need me for? Build it.
It's time to take this thing for a rip. This would be Hunter's. We're gonna take it straight to the cow pasture. Well, I'll tell you what, you pull these things out of the box and they are definitely ready to rip. This thing got all the horsepower and all the suspension you can play with, and it's very fun. Alright y'all, follow along and subscribe and we'll go show you how much Hunter likes having his car completely covered in cow poop. Dude!
What?
That thing is brand new and you just completely covered it head to toe in cow crap. Yeah, but it's yours. Typical.